Hi everyone, Trader Joe's Friday favorites, and in the house, animal crackers in my soup, cherry lemon. Animal crackers. Is a cracker different than a cookie? Let's find out. First of all, these are absolutely, they get the thumbs down for health. There's maltodextrin, palm oil, kernel oil, soybean oil, cornstarch, bunch of crap. But they're fun and they're 99 cents, so what the heck, let's see. Oh, I can't even tell. Is that an elephant? Okay, let's eat it. It's an animal cookie. It's like the normal animal cookies. It's lemon flavor. Any other animal shapes? That one looks a little different. Let's see. Ah, they are different shapes. That looks like a horse. Yeah, you can try them. I mean, they're good, but they're not healthy, so I wouldn't get these all the time. But they are 99 cents. They were fun. They're lemon. Maybe there are healthier choices there. Anyway, but they're lemony. I like them.